Hi guys, I'm Siddharth. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Guys, 100 people were killed in heavy rain and storms across Uttar Pradesh on 14 May 2026. Trees and electric poles were uprooted and several houses were also damaged across the state. Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath has condoled the deaths and ordered disbursal of financial assistance within 24 hours. Guys, Prayagraj witnessed the highest number of deaths at 21, while 18 died in Badohi, 15 in Mirzapur, 10 in Fatehpur, 6 each in Unnao and Badon, 4 each in Pratapgarh and Bareilly, and 2 each in Sitapur, Raebareli, and Chandoli. Guys, 2 deaths have been also reported from Kanpur, Dehat, Hardoi, and Sambhal. 1 died each in Kausambhi, Shahjahanpur, Sonbhadra, and Lakhimpur. Guys, the weather changed with clouds of dust covering large parts of Uttar Pradesh. Guys, बहुत सारे लोग फ्लाईओवर्स और ट्रीज के अंडर शेल्टर लिए as high speeds winds ripped hoardings and tin sheds and uprooted trees. Guys, बहुत सारे रोड्स ब्लॉक हुए गैस एंड व्हीकल्स वर क्रश्ड ड्यू टू फॉलन ट्रीज. गैस, बहुत सारे हाउसेस इस स्टॉर्म में डैमेज्ड हुए. गैस, द रेस्क्यूअर्स had to dig through the debris with their bare hands to save those who got trapped. Guys, several video have been shared from across the state capturing how powerful the storms were. One from the Bamiana village in Bareilly shows a man being flung into the air along with a tin shed and thrown 50 feet away into a field by strong winds. Guys, there are also reports of several people falling into the Ganga after a pontoon bridge was damaged in Badohi's Rampur. गाइस, एक और इंसिडेंट में एक pontoon bridge was damaged in Mirzapur's Gora Pramanpur, cutting access to 20 villages. Guys, in Fatehpur, out of the 10 deaths, 8 occurred in Khaga Tehsil. This included 5 women. Besides, a woman died in Sadar Tehsil due to a wall collapse, stated additional district magistrate Avinash Tripathi. Guys, separate incidents of wall and shed collapse and lightning strikes claimed 4 lives in Pratapgarh, while 2 others died in rain-related incidents in Kanpur, Dehat district. Guys, the relief commissioner's office has said that the chief minister has taken cognizance of the deaths and injuries, livestock losses and damages to houses due to unseasonal rain and thunderstorms across the state. Divisional commissioners and district magistrates have been asked to be sensitive while verifying incidents and ensure that financial assistance reaches the affected families within 24 hours, it said. गाइस इस इंसिडेंट को ध्यान में रखते हुए रशियन प्रेसिडेंट व्लादिमीर पुतिन ने भी इंडिया को कॉन्डोलेंस भेजा है। गाइस लेट्स होप कि ऐसे इंसिडेंट दोबारा रिपीट ना हो, और जो भी लोग और उन विक्टिम्स के फैमिली जो ये स्टॉर्म अफेक्ट किया है उनको सही से फाइनेंशियल असिस्टेंस दिया जाए, और अच्छे से सेफ्टी मेजर्स हर एक स्टेट में लिया जाए, ताकि ऐसे इंसिडेंट्स में ज़्यादा लोगों का अफेक्ट ना हो, और इस घर लाइवलीहुड किसी लोगों का भी ऐसे इंसिडेंट में डैमेज ना हो। गाइस दैट्स फॉर द डे। सी यू इन माय नेक्स्ट वीडियो। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग माय वीडियो। थैंक यू, बाय बाय।